Hi, my name is Rachel Sanchez, and today I'm gonna be talking about my final presentation, which is called Culture and the Importance of Knowing Your Own Culture. Cultures is the combination of traits and knowledge that different societies, an era, or a social group. This term comes from the Latin cultus, which means cultivation of the human spirit and the intellectual faculties of man. Culture is like a social fabric that make up different forms and expression in society. Therefore, customs, way of behaving, clothing, practices, and even the way of being are things that includes in the culture. The purpose of the essay is to adapt to the lyrics the importance of knowing your own culture since many people lack knowledge on this subject. According to According to an actor and theater director Sergio Martin Mendoza, culture cannot be done alone because it's not something individual, since socializations need for this. Otherwise, it could not exist. Culture and knowledge of it are very important because it is part of our lives. As it refers to our customs, it is manifested in different ways. That is why we came in a very diverse world, rich in culture. We live in a society that has been including building throughout the story. Thinking this way, the past is part of our present, and if we do know our culture, we know ourselves. It is also important to know other cultures to have greater cultural sensibility. Learning why other cultures are different, forming a positive, responsive, and culturally diverse society allows for multiculturalism and rethinking as ancient belief. Understanding people around the world, their culture, and why they behave the way they do is one of the best ways to learn from each other and learn about ourselves. The question is the question is that culture isn't strange, it means power. And so a society united forever and that it is the point that unite us. Which is identified in conclusion, culture is important because even if there are strong or adverse situations, we would draw into ourselves and remember who we are. Also, because it helps us to express ourselves and free expression is very important in order to survive. It is very important that we all understand that culture makes us the society we are today and that we can learn as much as possible from it. That was my final presentation. Thank you very much.